GM start-stop button looks a bit pale. This red one would definitely amplify your interior. First, you'd need the start-stop button. Second, you'd need a nose plier. And lastly, you'd need a pry bar. Now before you start prying, you should probably use some painter's tape. However, I didn't have any. Start prying around the edges. This is when you'd realize you need to use your hand to keep the pried out edge from going back inside. Once all the edges are out, you realize that the bezel is connected to a harness. To disconnect it from the harness, pull and press the two edges at the same time. That will disconnect the bezel from the harness. As you can see, the two halves of the bezels are connected to each other by clips, which you'll have to manually remove, starting from either the top or the bottom to make it easier for you. Once the clips are disconnected, you can then proceed to switch the buttons. But first, it's connected to two tabs which you need to press inwards towards the center to disconnect. This is where you use the plier. Once it's out, you can then put the new button in place, press it in, but make sure that the tabs have connected. You can do that also with the plier you used to take it out in the first place. You can test that by clicking the button. You can then put the clips back together. Make sure all clips are firmly intact. Connect the harness. Make sure everything is firmly connected. Lastly, just plug in the bezel and you should be ready to go. Thanks for watching.